Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In the previous module, we successfully completed the EJS module and we learned a bunch of things. In the previous video, we done the lost project as well, and we learned about tags and different kinds of tags and how can we use it, how to reuse the code in the EJS files, and there are lots of bunch of things and passing data and styles and so many things. So I'm so grateful about it for learning this. uh, so in this video I want you to, I'm gonna introduce you to a powerful version control system, that is a GitHub. uh, way back at the beginning of the course, we introduce you to GitHub. Let me show you that. Back. Oh, this is the one. In this module, I want you to introduce you formally to how Git works and how how can you use it to achieve various powerful things or ends or outputs, whatever. Um, and we're going to be talking about and showing you how can use Git on the command line to do things such as version control, how to clone repositories, how to fork, make pull requests, and merge repositories, and a whole bunch of really exciting things. Let's talk about the version control and its simplest form. Let's say that I created a new code file and I write a new lines in it. Now I decide to put it under a version control using Git. Let's say I call this save point number one. Now this is my first version. So later on, as I progress, I write maybe a few lines more, a few more lines in it, and save this and call this is my second version. Further down in the line, I accidentally screw up my entire code file, and it's what is called irreparable. Mm, and I get to the point where I would rather burn my entire code file rather than having to try to fix it. Um, Let me show you that. You would get into this situation because very often your code is interlinked and each class depends on another, and sometimes you can screw up in a way where all hopes is lost. And I simply just want you to roll back to the last save point. I can do things using it. You can either compare your current code file, so the current mess that you have made against previous version. So to add any of the save points before, mm, alternatively, you can simply just roll back to the previous version, and it doesn't have to be this immediately previous. You can go far back as or far forward as you like, as long as you know which version you want. Okay, then in the next lesson I'm going to show you version control using Git, using it locally on your computer, and we're going to use the command line to do this. For all and more, I'll see you there.